Hey everyone, Travis here again. Thank you so much for joining us for our next video tutorial for the Unique.vc platform. So today's going to be a pretty basic video. I'm just going to walk you through the actual Unique.vc dashboard and get you acquainted with a lot of the features that we currently have. So let's get started. So head on over to app.unique.vc and make sure to connect your Solana-based wallet so that you can see all of the features that we have. So first things first, you'll find that you're on the main page that has the listing of all of the currently established clubs on our platform. Now this is a really helpful place for investors looking to join clubs. You're able to get all the information that you need on each specific club by clicking on club details. And you can also sort by a whole bunch of different metrics that we have available. So you can either click on the sort by button there, where you can sort the clubs by several different variables that we have already laid out here for you. And you can also sort by filters. And this is really helpful if you kind of have an idea of what you're already looking for. For example, what type of club you want, whether it's role-based, deposit-based, or NFT-based, the application status, whether it's open or closed, whether it has active fundraising going on at that time or not. And you can also search by specific club tags that the club owner or founder actually assigns to the club whenever he or she is making them. So for example, you can search by NFT type clubs or gaming guild clubs or any of the many other possibilities that we do currently have. So from here, let's now click on the account icon at the top right, which is the small little person there. So for account settings, this is all of your specific profile information that you can just check out here, or you can make some changes. So for example, your profile image, your name, your email, or your social network tags. And then when you click on dashboard, this is a really helpful section because it gives you a huge breakdown of all of your information in regards to all the different clubs and all the activity that you have with these specific clubs that you are involved with. So the main sections that you can scroll through are the club overview. So it's a general macro view of all of the activity that you have going on with each specific club. You have different club information. You have the treasury information, proposals that you either currently have made or historic ones that you've made in the past that have already been finished. Withdrawal information, staking information, and at the bottom is one of the more important ones, it's pending requests. Now, it's really important to make sure that you keep this section in mind because when you actually apply to join a club, whenever the club founder approves your application, you have to make sure to come back to this section here so that you can accept the approval, and then this will finally allow you to gain entrance to the club. If you do not accept the approval, you will not be able to join the club. Now, all these other sections are extremely efficient. It's an efficient way to look at all of the information that you have currently going on with the other clubs, and they're all represented in a graphical format, and it's very clearly laid out and easy to consume. And that's about it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining us. If you have any other further questions, feel free to reach out to us either on the link provided, or you can join our Discord servers where any of our community managers will be very happy to help you out. And also your feedback is extremely valuable to us. So feel free to let us know features you like, features you don't like, or features that you'd like to see added as well. And that's it. Thank you guys so much. Have an excellent day.